Get this camera if you want an easy to use mirrorless setup for photos, videos and streaming all in one compact package. This is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, a beginner-friendly camera designed for creators, vloggers and everyday shooters. It's best for videos, live streaming, travel and casual photography. You get a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor with great image quality, plus dual pixel autofocus that tracks faces and eyes reliably in both stills and video. It shoots 4K video with a crop and full HD up to 60p with a fully articulating touchscreen that's perfect for vlogging and filming yourself. The built-in mic output, vertical video support and clean HDMI output make it a solid choice for live streaming and content creation. It's compact and lightweight, easy to carry around or mount on a tripod. Get this camera if you want a compact, capable and creator-ready mirrorless camera that is great for getting started, and it's definitely worth considering.